Hello, welcome to TCE Online Training Courses. And in today's video, we will be showing you how to assign a static IP address on your Windows operation system. This is vital to understand because when you're in the field as a field technician, you will be using this quite a bit. As of now, we're going to assume that you are currently on a network with a dynamic IP address currently assigned. We are going to change the dynamic IP address to a static IP address. So let's get started. You're going to go to the Windows search bar. Now that could be to the far left or to the middle, depending on the situation. In this case, we are to the middle. We are going to type in the CMD, which is the command prompt. And right here, we are going to type in IP config space /all. So what that does is it's going to bring up quite a bit of information. The information we want to pay most close attention to are going to be the IPv4 address, which is right here. You're going to look at the gateway. There's also the DHCP server, other information, but we're going to keep this information handy. We're going to put it in the corner here. And once we know we have this information, next thing we're going to do is go back to the Windows search bar, and we're going to type in control panel. So once we get to the control panel, you'll see different icons here to actually click on. We're going to click on network and internet. After we do that, you see more icons here. We're going to click on the link of network and sharing center. So this is very important. Understand that you're going to have connections here. Now this could either say Wi-Fi or maybe you've got an Ethernet plugged in, but either way, you want to look for the connections and what you're plugged to, and we're going to choose that link. So now we have the Wi-Fi status here, and we're going to go to properties, and we are specifically looking for Internet Protocol version 4. See this? We're going to click twice on it, and that's going to bring up our information here to set static. So right now, what we're going to do is you see obtain an IP address automatically. That's your dynamic IP address, but we want a static IP address. So what we do is we go here, click that, and this is where we go back to our command prompt. So in our command prompt, bring it down here, we want an IP address. So we're going to take that IPv4 address right here, which is going to be 192.168.0.104. So right here, you have to pay close attention. We're going to put 192 space 168 space. We'll go here. It's going to be 0. And then the next one is important. We're going to put 200. Next, we're going to go to the subnet mask. We can usually just click this and it automatically fills. As you can see right here, just automatically is going to fill. The next one is the default gateway. So let's look at the default gateway here. We're going to type that in, and our default gateway is going to be 192 space 168 space 0 space 1. So that's our information for right here. Now we need to figure out the DNS server address, which is going to be down here. So when we use the DNS server address, we typically like to use the Google DNS server address, which is a public DNS server. We can come right here, and if you see right here, there are many ones to choose from. There's Google, there's Control D, all of these right here. And as you can see, there's a primary DNS and a secondary DNS. Now, just to show you how that works, this would be the primary DNS would go here, and the secondary DNS would go in the alternate DNS server. So what we want to do is we're going to fill both of those, and we're just going to use the Google DNS server, which is going to be 8888 and for the primary and 8844 for the secondary. So let's do that right now. It's going to be 8 8 8 8, as you can see right here, that's for Google. And the secondary is going to be 8 8 4 4. And we're going to validate this. So hit that validate button. And to assure that everything is working, we are going to now go and search something on the internet to make sure that it's working. So let's search something like cats. And as you can see, it is currently working, and your DNS has been changed to a static IP address.